my channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I do my rosemary hair rinse. This will do wonders to your hair. If you're trying to grow your hair or thicken your hair, then this video is for you, so keep on watching. Rosemary, this is an amazing herb. This can be added in your food or in your soup. Whenever I make my lasagna, I always add fresh rosemary. This gives a better flavor to my lasagna, or even when I make my soups, I always add fresh rosemary. Did you know smelling rosemary may improve your concentration, and also it boosts memory and reduces depression? And this has such a good smell, and I just love smelling rosemary. It's just not enough. It makes you so calm. Rosemary is one of the most beneficial herbs for your hair. It makes your hair grow faster, thicker and longer. So let's talk about the benefits of rosemary. Rosemary has so many benefits that can do for your hair. Rosemary contains inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal properties which helps in rejuvenating the scalp when rosemary is applied. Rosemary is rich in antioxidant which prevents free radical damage to your hair and hair follicles. It helps to repair damaged hair, and it gets rid of frizzy hair, and it makes your hair soft and shiny. Rosemary also increases the blood circulation to the scalp and nourishes the hair follicles. Rosemary stimulates hair growth, thickens the hair, prevents baldness, decreases hair loss and slows graying of the hair, and it makes your hair grow very fast. Rosemary decreases itchiness in the scalp, and it also treats dandruff. And this is a very powerful herb for your hair. It makes your hair grow faster, thicker and longer. Rosemary is used in many skincare products and hair care products. It's such a good herb for your skin and for your hair. And drinking rosemary tea, it has such a nice flavor and is good for your health, for your skin and for your hair. I just love drinking rosemary tea. As you saw, rosemary has so many benefits for your hair. So now we are going to see how to make rosemary hair rinse and how to use it. So let's go, guys. I got some fresh rosemary from the garden, so let's make rosemary water for the hair. Bring a pot to boil. When the water is boiling, add the rosemary in it. I added about 7 stems of rosemary leaves. Now stir the rosemary with the boiling water. Now let that rosemary simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rosemary has lots of benefits for you. It stimulates hair growth, thickens the hair, prevents baldness, treats dandruff, decreases hair loss, slows graying hair. Rosemary also helps to increase blood circulation to the scalp and nourishes the hair follicles. So after 15 minutes, the color has become dark. So now we're going to let it cool completely, and then we are going to strain it. So now we will strain this rosemary water. Now I'm transferring the rosemary water in the spray bottle. transferring some rosemary water in the glass jar container, and this I'm going to store it in the fridge for about 7 days. You can store your rosemary water for about 2 weeks in the refrigerator and see that you put it in a glass jar container. This I'm going to use as a last step, how we use rice water after you shampoo your hair, after you condition your hair. You're just going to pour this in your hair, and that's going to be the last step. You don't have to wash it out, and you can use it 2 ways. Either you can spray in your hair or you can use it just in your shower. As a last step, while my hair is wet, I'm going to spray this rosemary water rinse in my roots, in my hair. I massage into my scalp to stimulate hair growth and increase blood circulation. This rosemary hair rinse has made my hair so soft, so shiny, so glossy, and I'm just loving the amazing results this has done for my hair. And you must definitely try this. This is an amazing way to make your hair grow faster, longer, thicker, and healthier. And this you have to do it at least once a week for the best results. Do try this amazing remedy for your hair. So guys, you saw how easy it is to make this rosemary hair rinse. Is absolutely natural, inexpensive, and it's 100% effective for your hair. This will make your hair grow faster, longer, and thicker. So you saw how to use it. You just have to spray it in your hair after you shampoo your hair, you conditioner your hair, and you just spray it in your scalp, in your roots, and then you massage your hair, and you just have to leave it in your hair, and you're good to go. I like to use the rosemary hair rinse once a week, and whenever I use it, I just love the smell in my hair, and it gives that such a beautiful shine and makes my hair so soft. And I just love the amazing results it gives in my hair. And I always make a little bit more, as you saw in the glass container, and I keep it in the refrigerator. And maximum I just use it for 2 weeks, and every time I like to make a new batch, because it's always better to make fresh whenever you use for your hair if you can. And it's just an amazing remedy for your hair, and I just love using the rosemary. Every time I wash my hair and every time I use rosemary, I just love smelling my hair. It smells so nice, and it also cleans your scalp, and it does all the wonders for your hair. So do apply it at least once a week for the best results, and continuously you have to apply it. And if you expect overnight if your hair is going to grow, that's not going to happen. You need to apply it regularly, and at least in a week once. If you have lots of hair fall and your hair is very damaged, then you can apply it twice a week. But you need to apply it regularly, and it might take 1 month, you might see the results, or maybe 2 months, or maybe 3 months, or maybe 6 months, but it's definitely going to give you the amazing results for your hair, and you're going to be so happy. So after you watching this video, you're going to definitely go to the supermarket. If you don't have rosemary, get one for yourself and start preparing it for your hair, which is an amazing and will do wonders for your hair. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you found it very helpful, do hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Many of you who just watch my videos and you don't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, and also this motivates me to make more great videos, and more great videos are coming up. And I'll see you soon with something new, something different. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye guys, love you all.